Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine at home. Children, as we are doing exercise 4.5, word problems based on subtraction. And if you remember, in our last class, we had done question number 2 and question number 5. Now, children, we will do our next question, that is question number 6. So, let's start, children. You also open your book and be ready. Read question with me. Okay, start, children. So our question number 6 is, in an auditorium has a capacity of 6,000 people. However, 6,900 people came for the function. So how many people were extra? So children, in the auditorium, there is a sitting capacity of only 6,000 people. Only 6,000 people can sit. But 6,900 people came for the function. So extra people came now. So you have to find out how many extra people came to see the function. Okay. So what will we do? Yes, we will do the subtraction. So let's start the statement. Sitting capacity of an auditorium is 6,000. You may see it's given in the question also. I am showing you here. The sitting capacity is 6,000 people. So write here 6,000. Now, number of people came for the function, that is 6,900. So we are writing here 6,900. Now what is the difference? So we are doing here subtraction. How many people came? 6,900 and sitting capacity was only 6,000. So we are doing here subtraction. 6,900 minus 6,000. You do here subtraction, children, because you need to show the subtraction. So we will make here 4 columns, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, and we are writing 6,900 first and then we are writing 6,000. Now start subtraction. Under the ones column you have to subtract 0 and 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Under the tens column again 0 minus 0, that is 0. Under the hundreds column you have to subtract 9 minus 0, that is 9. Under the thousands column you have to subtract 6 minus 6, that is 0, because we are subtracting the same digit now. So our difference is 900, because here is 0, no? At the thousands column, under the thousands column it's 0. So we will not consider this digit. So our answer is 900. So how many people came extra? Yes, 900. So our answer is 900 people came extra for the function. Okay, so you need to write all these steps in your notebook, children. I hope you are getting. Now children, moving to our question number 7. I am reading the question. You also look at your book. Yes, our question number 7 is, there are 6,495 bags of rice in a godown. Out of this, 2,569 bags were sold. How many bags of rice were left in the godown? So there is a godown and rice bags are there. How many rice bags are kept? 6,495. Out of this, 2,569 rice bags were sold out. So how many bags are left? So what will you do? Yes, we will do the subtraction. So let us start the statement. Number of rice bags in a godown. How many rice bags are kept there? 6,495. So we are writing here 6,495. Now number of rice bags sold. How many rice bags sold? 2,569. Right here 2,569. Now we need to find out how many rice bags are left. So number of rice bags left in the godown. What will you do? Subtract. So these two numbers we will subtract. So write how many bags were there and how many bags were sold out. And we will do here subtraction. So let's show here subtraction, children. Again make here 4 columns, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now write the first number 6,495. So you write here 6,495. Now write the next number 2,569. So write here 2,569. Let's start subtraction. Under the ones column, you need to subtract 9 from 5. It's not possible because 5 is smaller than 9. So 5 will borrow from this 9. 9 becomes 8 and 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 9, that is 6. Now under the tens column, you have to subtract 8 minus 6. 8 is bigger than 6 now, no need to borrow. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now come under the hundreds column, you have to subtract 5 from 4. It's not possible because 4 is smaller than 5. So 4 will borrow from this 6. 6 becomes 5. 4 becomes 14. Now subtract 14 minus 5, that is 9. And under the thousands column, 5 minus 2, that is 3. So our difference is 3926. So how many bags are left? Yes, 3926 bags are left in the godown. Okay. Now children, we are moving to our next question. These all steps and these all statements you need to write in your notebook. Now move to our last question, that is question number 8. Sahil wants to buy a music system worth rupees 6590. Means Sahil wants to buy a music system and the cost of music system is rupees 6590. But he has only rupees 4965 with him. Sahil is having only rupees 4965. Okay, he is having less money na. So how much more money does he need to buy the music system? Let's take an example children. Suppose you need to buy a copy and the cost of your copy is rupees 20. But you are having only rupees 15. So how much more money do you need? Yes, 20 minus 15, that is rupees 5. So you will bring more rupees 5 na, then only you can buy the copy. Okay, so in the same way, we will subtract these two amounts and then we will get our answer that how much more money he needs to buy the music system. Let's write a statement. Cost of a music system. What is the cost? 6590. So write here 6590 and Sahil is having only 4965. So Sahil has amount rupees 4965. Now we are subtracting these two amounts. So we call it difference. Difference amount equals to subtract these two. So write the numbers here 6590 and 4965. Now under the ones column, subtract 5 from this 0. It's not possible. 0 will borrow from this 9. 9 becomes 8 and 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. And under the hundreds column, you have to subtract 9 from 5. It's not possible. So 5 will borrow from this 6. 6 becomes 5 and this 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 9, that is 6. Under the thousands column, you have to subtract 5 minus 4, that is 1. So how much more money Sahil needs? 1625. So therefore sign you use here, Sahil needs rupees 1625 more money to buy the music system. Okay. I hope you are getting children. There is a note for you children. In exercise 4.5, question number 9, question number 10, question number 11 and question number 12 are omitted. Okay, we will not do. Now children, it's time for your home assignment. You have to practice exercise 4.5 at home. Solve all the word problems at home in your rough copy. And children, you have to solve revision exercises given in page number 115 and 116 in your rough copy. Try to solve all the questions in your rough copy children. If you will get any problem, you can message me through the Campus Care app. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Take care.